Experiencing issues with your TCL Roku TV backlight? You're in the right place. I'll walk you through the steps to fix the backlight issues on your TCL Roku TV. Whether it's a flickering backlight or one that's completely gone, understanding the underlying issue can help you save time and money. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Identify the problem. The first step in fixing the backlight on your TCL Roku TV is to identify the problem. Is the screen completely dark or does it flicker periodically? Sometimes the problem could be as simple as a loose connection or a more complicated internal issue. Make sure you've checked the following. Check your power supply and ensure that the power cord is plugged in securely and that your outlet is functioning properly. Visual inspection. Look for any visible damage to the screen or signs of backlight bleeding. Understanding the symptoms will help you decide whether it's a DIY fix or if you'll need professional help. Step 2. Adjust TV settings. Sometimes the problem is not hardware related but rather a settings issue. Follow these steps to adjust your settings and see if it helps. Brightness settings. Go to the settings menu on your TCL Roku TV, navigate to picture settings, and ensure the brightness level is set appropriately. Sometimes a factory reset can inadvertently change these settings. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can help solve these issues. Make sure your TV is running on the latest version. Go to Settings, System, and then System Update to check for updates. Making these adjustments might fix the issue without needing any further help. Step 3. Perform a soft reset. Performing a soft reset can solve temporary glitches, and here's how to do it. Turn off the TV and unplug it from the power source. Wait for at least 60 seconds before plugging it back in. Turn the TV back on and check if the backlight issue persists. A soft reset can often resolve minor software glitches that might be affecting the TV's performance. Step 4. Inspect internal components. If the above steps don't work, it's time to take a closer look at the internal components. This is more advanced, so proceed with caution. Back panel removal. Carefully remove the back panel of your TV and ensure that the TV is unplugged. And you want to make sure that you're static free to avoid any damage. Check for faulty LED strips. Using a multimeter, test each LED to determine if it's one burnt out or not receiving power. Inspect for loose connectors. Check that all internal connections are securely and properly seated. So if you still can't resolve the backlight issue on your TCL Roku TV, now's the time to reach out professional help. Confirm that your TV is still under warranty, as repairs might be covered. Contact TCL support for assistance or consider taking your TV to an authorized repair center. Fixing the backlight issue can range from simple to more complex repairs. Start with basic troubleshooting steps, and if necessary, seek professional help. With this guide, you're now equipped to illuminate your viewing experience once more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.